Hi there! In this video, I'll explain MarketHype to you in 2 minutes. Let's go! MarketHype is a customer data and marketing platform created for the event, experience and hospitality industries. It's the one-stop shop for marketers. Customer and sales data is retrieved automatically to the system thanks to the connection between MarketHype and your ticket or booking system. The data is visualized in an easy-to-understand manner. We want you to get a lot of customer insights quickly. You get information about your contacts' demography, purchase behaviors, interests, where they live, emails you like the most, and you name it. Of course, there's a lot of filtering options as well. And of course, the filtering opportunities are available and have the same look in various views. In automations, the email builder, SMS builder, audience overview, etc. And you use the very smooth filter when you create your very own segments. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. All contacts in MarketHype have unique contact identities, so you don't have to worry about duplicates. Also, all data is cleaned, verified and updated every single week. So, what else is there? We have the very convenient meta connection that makes advertising in Facebook and Instagram a breeze. In addition, we have our own SMS and email builders for you to create awesome mailings and communication for your audience. The tools have a direct connection to your customer data, so you can say bye-bye to exporting and importing contact lists between different systems. Targeted advertising has never been this easy. Let's sum this up with our beloved automations. In this industry, there's a lot of recurring tasks, such as information before an event, personalized greetings, and customer service after a visit. Here, automations are your new best friend. They're a lifesaver as they save you time, drive sales, and tie your customers closer to you. All in one feature. Want to know more about MarketHype? Just click Get Started and we'll get in touch.